Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you children? Hope everyone is fine, alhamdulillah. So once again I welcome to my IT class of grade 2. So see children, in the previous class we have learned about computer a machine. Yes, so computer is nothing but a machine. It runs very fast. It won't get tired. It won't make any mistake, and it can store a lot of information. Okay. Now it's the time to learn about the parts of a computer. PARTS parts of a computer. COMPUTER parts of a computer. Let us see what are the parts of a computer. A HUMAN human, BODY body, a human body. IS is MADE made, UP up, OF off, DIFF ENT different parts. See, a human body is made up of different parts. Yes, then our body is made up of different parts like hands, legs, eyes, nose, brain, stomach, etc. That complete parts mixed up and form a body. So let us see, in the computer also have the different parts. EACH each, PART part, HAS has, SPECIAL special, WORK work, TO2 DO. So each part has special work to do. Yes, every part has their own functions. Yes or no? They are not in same. They have the different functions to do. IN TH in the SAM is same, WAY way. In the same way, a computer, COMPUTER, a computer, IS is MADE made, UP up, OF off, DIFF ENT. A computer is made up of different parts. In the CS student, our body is made up of different parts. Like just now I have said, no, hands, legs, stomach, brain, etc. So each part has the special functions to do. Are they the same, children? No. Hands are used for eating, for writing, for playing, and the legs are used for running, walking, jumping, etc. So every body parts has their special functions. In the same way, this computer also have the different parts, and the different parts of a computer make a computer to function. Okay. ALL all, THESE these, PARTS parts, all these parts, DOGETHER together, MAKE make, A COMPUTER computer, WORK work. Yes, all these parts together make a computer works. Yes, like us in our body make our body to run. In the same way, the parts of a computer together make computer to work. A COMPUTER, a computer. IS is a MACHINE machine. THAT that HAS has 4 main parts. So how many main parts we are having, children? Repeat with me. Yes, a computer is a machine that has 4 main parts. Monitor, MONITOR, monitor. CPU, keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard. AND MOUSE, mouse. So the computer has 4 main parts. What are they? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. TH is the MONITOR, the monitor. KEYBOARD, keyboard. And MOUSE, mouse. ARAR, ATTACHD, attached. TO2, TH the CPU, BY WIRAS, watts. Yes, children, the monitor, keyboard, mouse are attached to the CPU. See, these mouse, keyboard, mouse, monitor, these are attached to where? Here, CPU. With the help of this wire, they are attached to the CPU. Monitor. MONITOR, monitor. LOOKS, looks. LIKE, TV, SCREEN, screen. Yes. See, children, can you see what is this? Yes, it is nothing but a monitor. It looks like a TV screen only. Yes or no? We are in our homes. We are having television. So it looks like television screen, monitor. ITE SHOWS, shows. TH the TEXT, text. TYPED, typed. IN, AND, TH the WRK, work. DONE, done. BYUSS. So it shows the text type in and the work done by us. See, whatever we type with the help of this keyboard, it shows on the display screen. Yes or no? In our mobile phone also we have the display screen. Yes, we can see pictures, cartoons, your online classes also you are seeing in the mobile. Yes or no? So this is nothing but the display screen. IT also displays the results. Yes or no? See, it displays the results. Whatever we are typing, it shows here. Understood what is monitor? It looks like TV screen. It shows the text type. Whatever we type, it shows on the display screen. The next is keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. See, this is nothing but the keyboard. Here we are having a lot of keys. How many keys we are having? Yes, we are having 104 keys. A keyboard is used for typing. TYPING, typing. LETTERS, letters. WRDS, words. NUMBERS, numbers. AND, SPECIAL, special. SYMBOLS, symbols. So a computer is used for typing the letters, words, numbers and special symbols. In our mobile phone also, in the keypad we are having this. Yes or no? Yes. What are the function of this keyboard, children? Yes, nothing but typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. So a standard keyboard has 104 keys. How many keys we are having? 104 keys. The next is Central Processing Unit. CENTRAL, Central. PROCESSING, Processing. UNIT, Unit, Central Processing Unit, CPU. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of a computer. Like we are having brain in our body, yes student? So this CPU is nothing but brain of a computer. It helps a computer to think and to do all its work. Yes, it helps the computer like our brain uses to think, no, and we can give answers to your teachers, right? So in the same way, computer have brain like CPU. CPU is known as the brain of a computer. It helps the computer to think and to do its work. It helps the computer to remember the things. That it can remember the things. A lot of informations are stored in this computer. Yes or no? In this CPU, many information, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा information we can store here in Central Processing Unit. Understood? We are calling them as brain of a computer. The next part is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. A computer mouse has 2 to 3 buttons. See here children, we are having 2 to 3 buttons. Right button, left button, and the one is scroll button. It is used to point, move and select any items on the computer screen or monitor. See, with the help of this mouse only we can select any item on the computer. Can you see this button student? These two buttons, right and left, and this is nothing but the scroll button for doing up and down. In our mobile phones we are doing this scrolling. In the same way we can scroll. Okay. So with the help of these buttons only we can select any item on the monitor. A mouse helps us to draw pictures and play games. Yes, with the help of this mouse only we can draw any beautiful pictures and we can play many games. So this is the parts of a computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Okay, in the next video I'll be explaining about this. Okay children, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.